Hey, what's up guys? I'm over here trying to change my tack. As you can see, I have a JDM one, and yeah, I bought a American one because I feel like, you know, that's the original one that comes with the car, so I'm gonna put an original tack back on there. So yeah, let me start taking this thing off. So I got Bobby over here painting my windshield wipers because they were peeling and shit. So they're gonna look all brand new now. Thank the Lord. In the midst of changing the fucking cluster. But got the real one drying up over here. And then he's also got a couple clusters here. Like I had 2 extra JDM ones. And the one I just bought, the American one, was cracked on the carbon. So now he's switching pretty much to the insides, as you can see in this one. It's a little cracked. So you can whatever. See right there, that one's cracked. But this was just another JDM one I had laying around. So he's pretty much just taking it apart. And if I'm not mistaken, this is the good one that we're gonna put onto the one I'm gonna put on the car. As you can see, is pretty minty. So I finally put the new tack on, the speedometer. As you can see, everything's pretty fucking on the works and everything. Got the key. Everything works properly. Shimmy. And also did the windshield wipers. You can see that one's pretty fucking good now. That's the rear one. The front ones too. For anyone that's going to be asking, this is the paint I ended up using. Get an AutoZone for like $9-10 or something like that. It's actually pretty good. I used it on the air duct as well, and that's plastic, so you can see it came out pretty good on there as well. Use it on that, and that's plastic, so it hasn't been even chipping or anything. Actually, that's not even plastic, that's fiberglass. What am I saying? But even then, it came out pretty good. Well, yeah, that's it, guys. New tack, new speedometer, actually, you know what I'm saying. And freshly painted windshield wiper.